You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, Jack Scalfani, Cooking with Jack show, and we have a guest today. Really excited. My buddy Jeff came over. He's into grinding meat, and ironically, we were mailed a grinder. So we decided to bring the two together and see if this thing can do what you need it to do. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll let you know. But I'm going to let him run the show because you've done this before?
Opening up a box? Yes.
No,
Wendy
not
lets me do that.
No, but I mean, have you ground meat before?
I've chopped it. My grandparents used to grind it, and that's why I'm interested in doing it.
Okay.
I've seen it done.
So there you go. The last grinder we had on the show was kind of weak. Wasn't strong enough. Let's hope this can work through. We're partially defrosting the meat, so it'll be partially frozen, partially, because that grinds up better. Okay? We'll get to that in a minute. But for right now, let's take a look and see what's in here. Go ahead and have fun. Okay, so they even have tubes for doing sausages, right?
Yes.
That's what that is. Hey guys, we may have another video coming up. We may make sausage. If this works, then we'll take it to the next level. And how do you pronounce Aobosi? I think it's called Aobosi. This is what the name, how they spell it. I really should start asking people how they pronounce their company names because I'm just shooting in the dark here. So, does it feel good? Got a good weight to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Interesting. Okay, give us a minute. We're going to get this thing together. No reason for you to watch us try and figure this out. Before we grind, we'll bring you right back. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is just listen to the motor.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. You can kind of hear the strength it has by the motor. So that's what I wanted to listen to first. Now we're going to put the piece of meat in here. And then this is the medium one, right?
Right.
All right. So we cut up a little bit of meat. Got it up here waiting to go. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's let it rip.
All right. And then if we cut them too big, we'll cut them in half again. But he's going to let it rip.
Power on.
That's doing really good. Does it feel like it's struggling?
Well, we do have a little bit of frozen to it.
Right.
So that kind of working like a shaved ice machine right
You think we'll get 4 patties out of that?
now. Your patties or my patties?
I'll follow your lead. I gotta tell you, this is the best ever on the show. This is the best grinding we've ever done on the show. I'm very proud of this machine. It doesn't look like it takes much effort. We just been filling the hole. It's been coming out beautifully. So we're gonna grill up some patties in a minute. Hang on, and we'll pick it up on the stove. He's cooking on my rock cookware for the first time, and I'm telling him how it's the best cookware I've ever cooked on. And I'm telling you right now, nothing sticks to that. The rock is amazing.
The rock.
You'll feel it when you go to get under the burger. You'll feel that nothing grabs. There's total separation. I'm really impressed with this grinder. I wonder, I haven't had freshly ground patties in a while. Okay, these burgers look beautiful. I'm not going to try it yet.
Right.
But I just want to talk about how perfect they came out. The color looks good. So the thing you would change is just add more fat in.
Probably put a little bit more fat in.
Blend
That's
it in.
first time grinding, so
Right,
learn the technique of that,
right.
and
So
that would help it to hold together a little bit more.
yes, because this is starting to come apart.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to thank the company Aobosi. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is the best meat grinder we've had on the show. That says a lot. So we're gonna try this out. Go ahead, you go first.
You go first.
Me? All right, there. I'll take that one. You take that one.
Okay. Pretty good.
That's real. Way better than fast food. That really good. Really,
Now-
really good.
That was only one grind. If we'd done it again, the texture would be even a little bit finer.
Kind of exciting. All right, well, Jeff, thanks for coming by.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you for showing me this and cooking it up. It literally did a great job. Thanks, guys.